Snoop Dogg. Can you be my doctor? Can you fix me up? Can you wipe me down? So I can make you give it up till you say my name like a jersey. Shutting down the game, be my head coach, so you can and never take me out till you can taste the win. Do it again and again till you say my name. And by the way, I'm so glad. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. Sweat. Sweat.
My name is Katrin, I'm from Germany, but I live in the Philippines. I'm a kite surfer and I do kite competitions. And this year we started to organize together with the Kite Tour Asia kite kids camps around the world.
Hi, my name is Santina Tinakode and I'm 11 years old and I come from Australia. Today I learned how to do kite surfing. In the morning we learned how to control the kite surfing, how to control the kites, and we learned how to do the hoops, and we learned how to connect everything to the kite when you're surfing, and the 5 rules when you're doing kite surfing.
We want to teach the local kids in Aitutaki kite surfing. They have one of the best spots I've ever seen in the whole world, so it's amazing for them to learn and they can progress fast, and would be a shame if they wouldn't kite.
I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat. I just wanna make you sweat. I wanna make you sweat.
They love the kite surfing from the first minute they touch a kite, and they progress really fast. So for them it's just amazing to be on the beach, to play with the kites, and later on to be in the water.
Hi, my name is Quentin Junior Schofield. I live in the Aitutaki. I'm going to be the championship kite surfer.
For me it's amazing because like all the kids are living on the beach, they spend the whole day in the lagoon. So for them it's amazing to fly over the water with the kite, and for them it's a good possibility because it allows traveling maybe later on, and maybe also when the tourists come they can work in kiting a bit. So for the kids it's a perfect possibility.
My name is Kenneth Junior Rota. I'm in Aitutaki. I'm 11 years old and I love kite surfing.
So normally we start with the power kiting. Power kiting means we fly small trainer kites on the beach, which can even do small kids like from 7 years on. And later on we go into the water, we take the real kite, tube kites, the kite surfers take, but just in smaller sizes, small kids gear, small harnesses, and the kites are normally like 4 meters, 5 square meter. And we do the same exercise an adult would do in the kite lesson. So we fly the kite first, do safety exercises, how to release the kite in some emergency situations, and do body drags. That means getting dragged by the kite through the water and get on the board later on for board riding.
My name is Santina Tinakode and I traveled all the way from Australia just to come to Paradise Aitutaki.
On the power kites, like on the small trainer kites on the beach, we can work really with small kids, like 7 years on. And then in the water, we need like a minimum weight of 28-30 kilos. So it's not the age, it's more the weight, so we don't want to fly the kids away.
Oh well, once I got hurt by a teacher named Leah George, and she told me what we're gonna do here. And this was my first time, so I wanted to come and see how to do kite surfing. So once if I do kite surfing, I know how to do it.
Well, I'm working together with the Kiteboard Tour Asia. Kiteboard Tour Asia is a tour that does the competitions around Asia, like kite competitions in freestyle and race. And the Kite Tour Asia belongs to the International Kite Association, which is a part of the Sailing Federation. Aitutaki is a paradise. Like when I arrived here yesterday, I couldn't believe it. I've never seen a huge lagoon like this. So it's perfect. Like it's shallow, warm water. It's constant winds. You have loads of space. no obstacles where you can fly into, so that is a kiter's paradise, and I guess soon more tourists will for sure discover the spot for kite surfing. It's really a paradise for kiting.
Kite Kids Tour!